To subscribe is free. To subscribe yet.
Yeah, 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 yeah. Come on, I know you're strong, yeah. But you be wrong and strong, that means you're weak. And if you can't say you're sorry when you're wrong, that means sometimes we have to take a look in the mirror and find our faults. Cause if you say you're strong, then you have to take a look in your faults. Now make your pride and your feelings stop you from have a better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. A better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Better, better, better day. Only you can make it good.
Say I feed the face.
Face of the feet, man. You know what you can remember that?
Yeah, I me I go circle. Circle the road and see if I see upon for your ends here.
Well, no, so I'm not telling you what I can see it till dark car. I be like a visor going on my friend.
Like
No, no. You lock up a food and for real. You don't know. No, no. I go for.
Go on easy, man.
Alright, watch it, man. See your bird shit. Rasta boy, they roll.
Who that?
Rasta boy, man.
Public.
Black monkey Rasta boy, man. Yes,
That's
man.
public.
We did my sister.
Public.
The rate of boy, you know.
No, no.
Say, boy, slap up my sister wicked, my friend. Mash up my sister face, my friend. Talk my sister and her belly, my friend.
So what kind of style that the man there bring? What kind of style that?
Then my sister was spraying in neon sound style cuts.
I don't know, some man style that, you know, some boys. So really they style the Rasta going with the animal going like him, some neutral Rasta. I say man I move.
Are you bridging? They
Yeah,
say show me your friends and me tell you who you are, you know.
I have to go talk to him about you. Because I don't like when you go and knock I see me so many of me the road that spread because me and him apart and he go feel like me and him are set thing, you know.
But another that, and theme bridging, me tell you such a me put one and one together and it equal two. I say theme bridging, one and breath, you know. And you could even know what if it's an operation or you go up on the time there, you know.
They know your sis. No, wait. Brats.
No, brother, my sister there the Rasta boy. I say we been tell my sister to tap the Rasta boy.
Yeah,
and he play hard days, you know. Remember say what day, you know, Brad's come this me, you know, come tell me about money business, you know. They come try rob me, you know. I don't see them even ride the bike.
This is your park up there and put down and zinc over it too.
Right now, my head mad right now. I don't trust them.
So I really them pre them and them a move it, bro. So how kind of pre them and they are well?
I know, I want to know you the pan. Because
Yeah,
I see him and Brad roll so, you know. And I saw me see and him roll too. So I wonder if you and them in a plans round there.
Brother, I'm telling you, you know, so
No.
me is a man, me chat to them, brother, but me is a low key man, me like them by myself more and my friend. You know, see me every day with them, or everywhere and everywhere you see them, you see me.
Bad man, myself, a man, me get up, me even have an appetite for eating no food. It's a little food, I forget that, you know, it's about we shake with food and we shake. Because my brain right now. Brain mash up right now, that Billy. Me tell her, man. But me say still, I know me want to know you the pan in the car. Take me if you take it to them in the cause.
Brother, right now, tell you the truth.
And I alone, me say this thing and that. Say,
Yeah,
but nothing
no,
I use or something
one
like
day,
that.
my friend, man. I tell us right now, you see, all of that right now, me try to avoid my friend. Tell you the truth, you. That's why I'm not
Avoid again.
So I'm not too mix.
Right, if I go down at my yard, my sister needs a lot big so. But daddy, my sister could have cut off him foot down a doctor, my friend. And Rasta boy that find new woman and for my sister that happen one, then I call my sister one. You know?
God, that foolishness
So
really
going on. Why you the pan cause?
When me the on my foot them and me I go on my yard go sleep when me finish do what me I do I come off the road and pick. Me no
So
want
like a grown thing there,
No,
but it's
I
either
don't
either, you know, man. It's up or down, left
No,
or
me
right,
no-
you know.
I-
It's either me or them, you know.
Yeah,
Away I say.
me share agree. All that talk, you know, me don't too understand the neither, you know, my brother. Cause two you talk about up and down, round and side and side. Me don't understand that, you know, my friend. You
What me
have
they
to
say
come straight
is,
to
what
me,
me they
you know,
say
my
is,
friend.
what me they say is, you can climb a ladder and go down here at the same time. And you can go up on the left side and go up on the right side same time.
But-
But make it clear then. Them are the left, me are the right. Which side of it?
Brother. Remember, say me
Me for telling you, the middle of the road not care, go lick it down, you know.
You know you me as a player. Me a part for a long time. And you know that too. But I know me not pick no side, my friend. Me a stay neutral, me a tell me yard. You say anything will go on. Matter of fact, me boy, me don't even know what to say, you know. Me have to go think about all of this way you tell me say right now, you know. You see me, cause me not go just say and you know, so it makes sense. Me just meds what you say right now, my friend. Cause right now, when me are here right now,
Right now, Taylor talking to her, sound like say boy. I mean, I have to watch your Tina dog.
I'm tell you.
Okay,
You
no,
know,
me
say
that
I
boy
didn't
me
style.
talk my
No,
mind,
in
you know,
a
my
real
friend.
life, my friend. In a real life. I didn't style with you know, me no like deal with it, you know, my friend. Cause first thing,
But man, if you paranoid, you tell me say me a man go for operation, man get them share money, and then
So
one
let me
say me
ask
no
you
for
one
buy
question.
bike, come with me no for shine
So
too.
me ask you one
And then
question.
man will come for
Let me
beat up
ask
my
you one
sister, you can't tell
question.
me say no planting that
so
brother.
let me ask you one question. Me did the operation when you know the
No.
operation. So when you want to pull me in a hit fight, me want to know,
No.
brother, and then you have to tell me about no. It's like me a pick side.
say pull
What
your
kind
night,
of
you know.
pick side me a pick, my friend? Me not pick no side, my friend. Me not pick no side. Watch out, man.
That you say.
You tell me about that. I say, me not pick no side, my friend. Watch out, man. You turn on me yard.
I mean, so you don't pick your side already.
Someone right now, I didn't style that, watch out.
You don't pick your side already. Come say, whoop, so one of them, I rob one rob me, you know. One of them mash up the sister, you know. So what you go do now?
Turn on me yard.
Oh.
Turn on me yard.
So
Avoid
you
all
pre
of them.
paranoid right now. I see your
No, I know about pre-paranoid.
2025,
Brother,
my
watch
friend.
out, man. You see, you know, meds, me can't meds, because come like you're too ignorant right now, you know, so when I cool down, or when your brain free up a little bit, you link me there. Me right now, you can't meds, you meds right now, me there. You pray when me not pray right now. And money me a pray, riches, you know, my friend. You know, see how long we have suffer
So you
you.
see, I take them and take my riches,
Then you see how long we have suffer you. You tell me about man, this man, that. Right now, me don't want to hear
my
about
sister, they suffer right now.
Yeah, me understand
And the one
that
them boy have to
foolishness.
feel it.
A foolish, me never say you can't
Yeah.
retaliate back in on me. Never tell you say don't retaliate back in on me there. But you can't pull me in something me no know about or
Well,
me
he
no
not
fully
already.
understand. Oh,
Well,
me
he
not-
not already.
Oh, me in
Well, he
a
not
me no
already.
know.
Well, he not. No.
No.
Tell her that.
Where me in a? No, for real.
Oh.
Where me in a? How me
We
in
go
a?
take it to them and go show that you not play with the road, my
Just
friend.
God.
Yeah.
You even ask me if me
Yeah.
not go
Yeah,
and
my
give
brother, I'm not
himself-
for something. If a boy violate you, you have to ask me. You have to ask me, so I have to ask you. And I tell you something, I have to meds you. They tell me, say, Ray, brother.
So you say,
Because I don't know with the road no
me
cause.
know that, brother. Me know that. But watch out now.
If
I
nothing
just-
I do them, nothing I go do them. But I try to share if something to do them, nothing can go save them cause. I just want to say that on the right side, that I'm on rate as a juvenile, that I'm a juvenile man rate for that. So I'm here, brother. They share some free dog. You see? Can't trust the Rasta boy, my friend. Rasta boy, yeah, Gina. Don't be out talk, it feel like a article. Rasta be a poor them boy, then you understand, my friend. Yeah. Real Rasta man.
Nah, go judging on my dog. I'm not go jump to conclusion.
Right, no,
But watch
no.
out now. Listen to me, my dog.
I hear, man. I hear.
I have to go check Rasta. But watch out now. I have to go here when I have to go see it when he really depends certain way, my dog. It's like,
Go check Rasta.
no, listen to me, my dog.
Yeah, I hear,
Remember,
man.
say Rasta no know say, where do your foot, you know? You see me?
True.
And what you say to me now, Rasta don't know what you say to me, you know, so it makes sense. I go
True.
around and try figure out where they really are pre car.
Oh.
Say, yes, and that me I try show you. Cause me not too.
So you say so one like play like you get a pan for them side there.
I'm not play like me. Me not
See
the
what
on
they
no
do,
man side, my friend. Me not tell you, say me not the right now. Me
Yo.
like the,
I understand that I said them brother, man, you feel like me they push nothing pan you in that. But watch out, you see time for new child. gone already. That was last week. We talked about this week. So it's either left or right. I'm just telling me right what you pick. Just do you have to do, my brother, man. I'm not pressure your brain, but I know that there's somebody go feel it. And if I pull up on a rasta boy, you have to see a side of him. Remember, the shot no have the eye. Yeah. Right. Then me there still a go on now, man, my dog.
No. What's a crime, man? Me a circle the road. Me a wheeling.
I guess I'm going for my dog.
Me a wheeling, man.
That's it.
What is like, me I said to myself, say, I wonder if you understand what really I'm going. That's the next thing. Because people will tell people things that make it things slip away where you just gone to one place and you can't forward back. Because you said to me, Sir Ropes, but what you say here?
When you say me here?
Yeah, we are here because the long short is that I know what you believe and what you hear at the end of the day still. Because sometimes some people still believe what they follow what they hear. What do you forget what I say?
We still on still when not here from America.
But then I see you talking on the phone and say, I hope you come short about it. So you hear me I say? Me and a girl like, I don't think I want to continue, brother, because the girl that try to set me up on way. Yo, you see same thing I tell you one night there, I mean I try to show you say boy, me fall asleep and think, right off your show out, you know. The girl come link me and say, oh yes you're there. I mean I say, yeah, yes somebody on for there. And then me yard. Ropes, she now come in and say, boy, me a dirty man and me have girl and wait. Love me I run a joke with her and say, boy, me have two girl a yard. Can I think that's honest joke? You understand? She now take it on a different level and say, me have girl a yard and me disrespect her and thing and she have my phone in her waist. And I said, so I grab my phone, but my finger point her up on her belly. My man say me abuse him. So me thump on her belly. Later on that night, brother, no fear virgin now, ISIS. I link me now, I say, on phone, I say, boy, you know, you can't believe someone disrespect him. Your sister irritated. Yeah, you hear me I say, man? Eh? You think you hear me I say, no?
I hear you say, man. Every word you drop me here. Nothing pass me as me everything.
You confused, brother, I tell you now. Alright. So, this a girl that now come make it seem as if say, me a thump him in your face. Yo, this a man that shot me now and I talking about certain things. Like me I see myself say, I want every man understand say, me is not a violent person, but if a violence I bring to me bring back violence to you. You see me I say, that's some of my things set, you know. But you're here for ISIS since, eh?
No, sir, you know, so me not see him now here for him go.
You see him? Brother, next thing you see him, brother, make him know say, yo, love me alone and go deal with his sister.
And trouble you.
Brother, so watch about him. Me no lick his sister. Me no thump his sister. He might come call me, you know, like him say his sister say. Okay, you know girl stand up, brother.
I really let that go on.
What do you mean, man? A ape style like, brother. You understand me? I say, what kind of flow that, bro? Right now, I just stay so because film sister me not do that back in. And she ever think she bad step in me. Just step back in my place.
So me ask you, you bad up yourself, somebody. I know like I'm here reason you bad up yourself.
No, I'm frustrated, brother.
You're frustrated.
I'm inside. No, that's why I keep it to myself.
Yeah, but yeah, make me know all of that. You don't want to know your frustration. Me ask you a question when I say from America. Yeah, tell
yes,
like,
here, brother.
You know that if you say why hard we say yesterday.
Brother, something you have to understand. The frustration
Understand,
hide and cope.
but keep that to yourself, man. Me don't want to frustrate half a fear frustration. You see me, cause can't manage stress neither, you know. I real life in my G. So when me I go tell you say no, just take care of yourself and watch your road and make sure you stay in. That's all I can tell you. Cause to me see this thing I go, you go, you be how you feel go. You go left, right, all different type of
one thing I tell you. You see, next time you say that you with them ISIS. Tell him to love my number.
Me fi tell him.
You tell him to love my
So
number.
you really want me go to ISIS and tell him say you?
Because you go see him. Yo, me hear son when down a Kira bar, you know. Remember say no flex like that, you know. Me hear say no mash up a bar, you know.
So what tell you this?
I know it's street, brother.
Who read street I tell you?
Alright,
Just say
yo,
you just
alright.
go tell me say here say. And I hear say yeah listen to and come to me with.
So I lie then, me ask you, I lie.
No, if anything you want to believe, my friend, you believe.
So you never gonna Kira bar?
Go do what?
Go drink and mash up a place. Me hear say you are junk, you know, brother.
You can't recall that. I don't recall
I never
that.
you.
No, I know me. And somebody will look like me, but I know me.
I must say Kira, my
Me dey
cousin.
me yard, Kira your cousin that have your fault. Me dey me yard all when that happen. No, sir.
Not even-
I know me.
Not even 24 hours, brother.
I know me.
I know you.
No,
That's
sir.
somebody else.
Somebody else will look like me.
I know me go do. Me go link up Kira and ask her. Cause them must
So me ask you one question. So how you so deep in a family life now you want to ask her if me did?
no, come here, show your vibes
No,
and
no, I show me no
I
vibes.
don't
You
want
make
to
it-
confirm it, brother.
No, brother.
Confirm me,
no,
no.
brother. No, I don't like this style.
So what kind of
You
style
like
you
you watch me on the side.
Me not
You
watch
see
it.
the type of style.
Here we go.
Me no par with them.
I don't matter par,
Type
brother.
of life, then type of
Alright,
life.
alright.
So look up.
So,
No, no,
alright.
yo,
So
no.
hear me say. Yes, if you take care of myself and watch the road. Take care of yourself, watch the road.
Look come on, man.
All right,
Listen to yourself. Yeah,
Brother, how are you there? Where are you there? Eh? You don't well comfortable stretch out in my bed. Where are you there? Give me back it. Give me back my key. Cause you know, suppose me live with my man in a so suppose we there do something. Eh?
Mona come in,
Eh?
Mona hear about
Eh?
he.
I said I push the door and come round and talk and listen to my business.
Why would I do that? It's me a pervert. Don't do that.
Where
Don't
you come here for?
Don't
That
mix
me
me
ask
away,
you.
sister. Jesus Christ, sister, me can't talk to you no more. Eh? Me can't have a conversation with you no more. Civil conversation. You look good too.
Where you come here for?
Eh?
Eh?
Sister.
Eh? From me here, the sister, let me see a stress and probably want to dash for me.
What do you mean?
From here, say sister, me feel your body weight where you carry if you can dash down for me now. You see, other day, your little dirty woman come here, you know.
Come and
And come tell me business like say me if you sit down and listen. Me tell say woman come back today. Me say other night a woman come at me yard and I come tell me in business towards you and she. And me no want to hear because me no know if me and no arm stress relief or something, you know. So if you come fit tell me something now, me no want to hear, you
What do you
understand?
mean you tell yourself something?
Me no want to hear.
So you
cause
take
guess what?
aside you take
Me
now,
just,
sister?
listen to me. Me
Relax,
just
come
go
on.
do all my hair and a whole heap of money that we just go spend. And it has stressed me out.
Oh,
You
bless
understand?
yourself.
It has stressed me. So when you come now and tell me no problem, then like you want to stress me out. What do you want to do?
Me no, so make me she come in the house and contact
Eh?
me.
And stress you don't want to stress me out, no?
The first things first, you shouldn't make she come here. I she need to
What
contact
you
you
mean by
about
me
it.
shouldn't make she come in? Because listen to me, I have a problem for my head. And then when I go put phone up on me, what you go happen to me? Eh? What you go happen to me? I go maga and hold me maga.
Sister, type of phone.
You understand?
You
And me
look
just
now,
lost
don't
my money too, that me they talk about.
Me lose some money. I mean,
As
some
me
money.
don't know me here and ready to go buy one juice, my money last. So talk to me good now, because I'm not really in a foolish with none of money, you know. A matter of fact to me, no want hear no. So if you come and you talk to me about her, me don't smell it right long time. Me don't want hear nothing. Leave, please. Leave.
Are your brother attack you? Are your brother who help you through everything you can
I
imagine?
don't give a flying shit.
What do you mean you
It's
don't give a
mad
flying
time
shit?
now. It's mad time
Let's,
now. You know,
alright.
Eh?
You want me to give back your money for buy your drinks?
Eh?
And cool down? I must start you want to backstage. Sister, relax yourself
Give
and
me
start going.
5,000 when me last.
Eh?
Give me back 5,000 when me just last.
I'm going to get paid tomorrow. You will get it. But I can buy your drink.
So you see it?
1,000.
You see it? You see what me I talk about? All the Jamaican people always a say, what your problem? And when we tell all the Jamaican people with problem, we cannot help we.
Buy your drinks.
Give me the whole of the money.
Yeah, which one of this backside money, yawa?
So give me $1,000 more like you want to sit down and listen to your business. Give me $1,000 more. Listen to me, left me place. Give me $1,000.
Sister, I never come for this. I come for talk to you.
Listen to me.
For free.
I don't
Because when you come for talk to me, you talk to me for free.
The whole of you come on me yard, come tell me the problems have to pay. You have to start pay. So give me the next $1,000 or I leave.
You see what I'm going to do? You're single, you're so miserable. Our inside you want crutch?
No.
Eh? Relax your damn self,
More
man.
inside I'm if scratch, me go buy a rose. Hello, give me sitting. Give me the next $1,000.
If I told them I'm get happy, hope you're happy now.
Talk your problem now. And cut long story short.
What she come say to you? What? That girl come to your yard and say to you. That's the first thing I'm asking.
Hold on there. If you did tell me, say I look the information I want to hear. You know, what she gonna tell me, you couldn't tell me, so me can tell us if you put more money on it. You know.
Jesus Christ.
You understand? Me couldn't tell us if you put more money on it, because me not understand. You want to come talk to me about she, but you want me to tell her what she come my yard come say.
Alright, let's go alone. Sister, you know, so the girl really go to her brother and tell her brother say me abuse her, me a thump her, me a fist her. You can imagine the story. Sometimes you can't vex with the people, you know, who actually come at you because they don't know the story. So when they come at you with that anger, it's like you say to yourself, say, should you get vexed? You can't get vexed. Because that the girl can go to him brother and tell him brother, say me abuse them. Me abuse she and say me I do things to her and certain things. How should we do that? I'm not that guy. I'm not that kind of person. You know that, sister? Me's a peacemaker. Only thing I want to do is just have a little fun and relax myself. You understand me? I said that's all. It's not a case where me I try to create no havoc. Hold on. Listen me I say no. Listen me. Hold on. Don't say listen me in a place and me fall asleep. Me fall asleep and the phone never ring to wake me up. That's all. And the girl I was telling people say, me beat her up. Me public beat her. Who me beat her for? A punching bag? Now the next youth and them boy become link me now. I say, he want to know what I go on and rate it. Then him turn around like say, he want to take side with dirty stinking ISIS. You know what I'm talking about? ISIS. Like say, they want to come chuck badness for the Rasta. I show me no want feel no color, no want care. Hey, you hear me? Yo, you see the vibes that I bring to my sister? What you think for do right now? Because right now that's why I come and come and go in my yard and feel like say, boy, they can't run in circle. You come and know.
So man, I bring badness here.
Yeah, chuck badness for me like terrible.
Who does that?
I say, who does that?
Who really does that?
You not them time, yeah.
Who does that? Because guess what? Say boy be involved in it.
Yeah.
And
ISIS.
dirty ISIS involved in it.
You know film
so
style
already. So me can't to them and kill them, you don't know me.
Well,
huh?
that me I say right now, but me I say...
Me can't chick it to them and kill them, but for now, left me out. Me tired.
Sister,
my man can't check me.
Why you find...
You understand? No, it's not.
So I'm their ear. Talk it true, because you not spend so much money for your ear.
Hello,
talk it true.
The man pay me for my time. Like me talking alone, he pay me for.
You back to us now, because I forgot my figures.
No!
I have got pay my light bill, my light cut off.
No! It better the light cut off.
What?
With the woman, you and the woman. Make the light cut off because it one I want destruction and crosses. I want to take one big old barrel and roll on the good on your healing light. Go on. Get up and go on and you run up my blood pressure. Make it. Alright, let me show you something.
Show me what?
Come on, play with me, you know. Come out and then stay afraid and come on. Before me shock up your brain. Come on, go on. Hurry up.
Don't shot me.
Hurry up.
Don't shot me.
Hurry up.
Don't shot me. Sister, don't shot me.
Hurry up.
Sister,
Come on.
don't shot me.
Come on. Big old grey back man like I.
Don't shot me. Sister, we last the man.
Big old grey back man like I you.
I'm take your damn key.
I'm come to defend you now.
Take your key.
Eh? You come to me defend you now. Rubbish. They should have hang on over me step go
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track.
foot.
Bad man, like a chill, man. How are you? For the back of me, sir. And I say, watch it,
No,
Baldy.
brother, one tell you, right now, I can't even know say a story, a good news, me tell your foot, my boy.
But I good news more here. Where's it going?
Right now, me need to think about that, man, again, brother. Right now, tell you, flush him out now.
Oh,
Because, you know, say, boy style off of me on not too long.
I see him Rasta boy.
After me tell you, say, me I go to a room, and go link him. I know what really I go on. Be a styling thing, you know.
And you have me slagging up. No tell us if you don't trust them. No tell us if you don't trust them. But you want to be peacemaker, man.
No,
You
man.
want like your Jesus. What do you do to Jesus?
Alright, I said 40. Watch out, man. You do it right. So when you say we
Anytime ready.
anytime ready, just make a phone call.
No, man. We make you feel like me there say right now. I don't think me reach on my foot, man. Right now, I don't make you link, man. I portal them right now. That's why I want to hold this appear for me, stuff. You see me? I don't know me left me out. Who tell us how somebody? So I have to think.
Friend, remember say I'm in name, you know, man. The mind the talk about what you think about that, what you know.
I just you know, I can't have to think all kind of way right now. I have to turn on my friend. I'm say I'm a rate all the boy Bradley. And for them go do me that thing. And if you know say friend go do my sister that, I have to pray while like a plan thing, bro. And I only one round them where me pray say yo could have come in come do me something. And I know say me rate as
But
me
the first
G.
thing, I don't know what I go on, my dog. I know what I go on. I know what I go on. If what the enemy link me and make me know full 100 of that I go on. If full 100 I buy game, I don't know say that really go on.
No,
True.
man. Know yourself, man. But deal with them like a son domino, man. The whole them have to shuffle up and down when they get to right there. Yeah, man. They was straight a domino game and that when you hear 6 a slap. Yeah. I just got on time, man. You know? Yeah, man. I got no depend for them side this time. You understand what I say? For yourself, my brother, man. For your witness. Me with you.
Just call me.
For your witness, me with you.
You just say,
Yeah.
call me and let me know where you're depend at this right time. You just let me know what I go on. Call me phone, you know my number, see me.
Yeah, of course, I have yourself is better.
Alright, that's what
Just keep the bird charged.
I go down my bar.
Is it?
Yes. For that time, I go to Kira bar, boy ask me if I need it. And he say, my Kira cousin, he go ask Kira what really go on. If we need pull up and make you know, say, boy, they style, I don't know, real man style, them girl style, they pull up on, you know, but him in here, so the drink, they will jump on one bag of stuff. Say, listen, man, how kind of profit? I tell him things are.
No, man, I must want to go back. I'm talking about it when they know it. Talking about it when they know it, I must care nothing. You can't mind them boy that try to pray for free.
No business with
But
them still.
we still can't trust Kira neither.
You know, man.
If I not, we'll give him some money tonight and hear what he talks.
Watch out. I go down here, so
Just watch yourself. Guys, don't get active, yeah? Yeah, man. What's that fuckery? Good. Alright, free now. You did that.
Just come check for him. I come check for you and my big brother.
One of me wonder what up on your mind, man, because there's something more set you still in here, but see you come give me a link, I don't know.
What you want to
Never
say
seen
to
you
me?
come link me upon her, you know?
What you want to say to me?
What more I know? You know, so them see bush them a face, you know. So one night me up on the road, you come link me and show me a pay down. What me really want to know, you know? Sure, say that's the boy that travel.
Somebody coming to you?
Well, that's that me want me look right now. I think reach a one different part of the world, you know. You want to know say it's like me complain about the situation running on my G, them and the G here. I want to know right now coming man them are coming right now for fixing business, you know.
What you talk about? What kind of man come down here for fixing?
You know, you about Duff Cat de la Pena, 6'6". board box and
Listen to me. In a catch so far. What do you mean 6'6"?
Yeah, man, say, let me not catch so
In
far.
a catch so far, brother.
So take
You
time talk, man. Take time talk, man.
Me have to talk loud because I'm full in the shop.
Yeah, man, say, man. Yeah, man, say, no. Fame friend want to rob me my money. See my bike off the hide up a hand yard and cover down under zinc, you know. Can me decide to then take my bike back from me, you know. Then this a boy, which is Brad's friend, come beat up my sister, fish in a year belly, spraying on the foot. Daddy, God put me yes as a big brother to take care of you, you know. Mommy and daddy in the boat in a charge. So our boy if you violate and make it go so. And say if this a boy a violate and let it out, you see the next man I get him go feel like he can take a punching back top. Yeah.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me, brother. It's alright. You're not afraid.
All you come like you no sense neither.
What me come like me no sense?
So you tell me say, boy, you right if you do anything then?
Me never say right if you do anything. Me just want to go talk
So
to him. That's all. Just talk to him and that's it. Me no want you to know all time way, brother.
If I talk, you want to talk, I bet you call a radio show. Bet you not go look for Ran Mushet man and one of them man. What me look like? A action with daily, they don't go to work.
I mean, radio show.
No talking thing with no boy. This is
worse
stuff. This is worse stuff.
Smoke and drink and drink. Your head and go.
I'll come like you know, no sense neither. You know. If you not smoke and drink this right now, that lid down around there already. You hear me tell her?
Listen to me. You need to stop this foolishness right now.
Stop. Me
and
can't stop
wipe
nothing.
that out of your brain.
Me can't stop this. I'm come make sure I ask her come in and want an innocent man go dead tonight, you know. Cause you know, if you see a man.
Me say just left it there so. It's alright. You don't have to bother
left it there so. Come like you not understand. Me talk Spanish to you. Me tell you say the man them left man did already pan them.
Me never tell Africa no man. So, but you are
them
man.
Don't get in picture. You know?
Listen to me.
No,
you are man. You stand like a man. Why you gonna call other man to come there? Dirty words.
Listen to me good.
If you listen to
hey,
me, do your work yourself.
If you see him tonight, avoid him.
What I mean?
Because you see anyone to tonight, anybody side of him, I get it to you. Yeah. So you must decide.
Yeah.
Yes, if anyone want to reach so far, you should have listened to it from morning.
And
love that you stop. I come like you idiot. You know what?
Man, don't pop your foot, go please.
Don't each upside the rest of what is tonight.
Better go where I go.
Go.
I know sense.
Ambition.
You have ambition? You have ambition, big yeah, boy?
Of course, if you want
As long as
to
I talk, go where I go. No, talk to me.
you see, little girl, you must jacket for true. I'll put him up a fit for true. Yo.
You like him do me.
Bingy right.
Yeah, me there, I'll go.
I'll go and Bingy right. You good?
I'll go already, brother.
What's that?
Hold on, I'm doing a phone call. Yeah, man. Dangerous thing, but everything good. I'm Virgin come link me, so you know, long time I know him, man. You know, I see some friend and say, you know, go alright, so me short here. Yeah. So you're going?
I'm there and Bingy right going easy, you know. I know say I check, say I can check it still. And that's an vehicle broke them and stuff. Phone chat. You have to work on link, you know. You know, I say, no, I never even call link, you know. You know, I say, no, really mix up my certain things. I understand. And up there, sure, one pre for one day.
I would the same thing with
yeah, same thing, man.
Yo, so you get you that money then?
Boy, I know. My link him and I know say one bag ask how fat him take money buy bike and I say, or if you take money buy bike him think I feel money me give all and pan and you understand?
I got that one in there, brother. I say, yo, one thing I go on, you know, where I really want to involve a certain way, but I have to show advice. Because sometimes better to talk about certain things.
Two man talk, man.
Because you know.
My people. Yo, my papa then.
No, man, you know, everything good. No, my place.
No,
for my place, I'm rent to the people. I rent me a collect right now.
Oh, yeah, I said.
And then again, I said, I assist them. I remember film same sister.
Oh, film sister, thief in one from school. The thief know about amen.
Boy, if I'm going to sit from early up, I'm not left her. Because the girl that talks something.
Talk say what?
The girl that said me abuse her. One situation go on where We were supposed to touch the road with her. But me now fall asleep, because you know, say, for me think different.
I lie, I tell, bro. You can't follow him.
But that me I say,
I
man.
send life on school days, you know. I teach and tell life on you.
So
I must be a thief, you see thief when I go to school and I'll fall like my teeth and I'll fall, you know. Principal catch you one at a time and suspend him for it, you know, brother. You know? You remember?
You know, you know. You
Yeah,
tell
tell
me
you.
what I want.
You never hear that thing?
I
At first, because you feel like, say, the one side of your yard there, all this like that, Lord say, you feel like you're out here, because you man shoot like you, you know. Ever, because of what's you know.
So long and short, she has sent me abuse her, so she go tell her brother ISIS now. And she go tell him, man, you know one way, every brother come go on like you want. Violate me. The same youth what me say, boy, me stick up for a certain way. You know what I mean? And you know what I'm saying, say, boy, even the money where you up with. You may have some money upstairs then. You know, check me for the same day, right off your the left arm. Right on bike and come link me.
My bike, my money use on
my
bike.
But right now, trust me. I don't get that because that
do different you do. What can I go after? You want 30,000.
My wrong time now. Come tell someone credit the money in front of people.
So then I in there?
No, then I ain't forward.
You know, say like you're an artist.
No, man. Yo, what are you feeling?
They pay and go 3 or 4 days.
Me? You saw me now with this.
Carry enough for the camera.
No, listen, man.
I never drive. Walk with you.
Listen to me, yesterday, man. Because right now, style I drive.
I'm not style. I tell you. I'm control that till up.
But you tell me what you tell me, say?
So right now, listen. I'm going to want some figures. You understand? Yeah. I want some M. You know what that means? I say M, you know? Yeah, because right now I don't want to get them dirty. I'm going to get dirty. I'm out of all that man. I don't want to get cross.
I am confused.
Let me get confused. I understand.
I mean, I show you advice. I mean, I show you my perspective on what I go on and I craft. That is a craft, me a rock.
A craft, you try to work it.
Never craft.
You know, you stand a big gold chain, you have it, man. You can't tell you have it.
Brother, enough to see people with certain things. You have to understand. Listen to me, I say, man.
So you're talking so rough?
No, I'm not talking rough.
Don't raise the voice,
I told man I talk, brother. I told man I raise
them. I'm a bad man. Let's argue. I make people over there so call police and say we are going to cut. Alright, because we're standing money or something.
You think you understand what you say and what you're trying to do right now? Right now, I don't do that for my body. Let me tell you. I tell you, it's big accusation, left, right. I mean, I shoot it by me, I say right now, yeah, me have some money, but I don't have money to give you right now. That me I tell you, there are some things to deal with, I mean, a whole lot of things to sort out. So if I sort out them things, then I can, push for certain things what will make life better for me. I'm going to plan for that woman, they're good thing, you tell me now, say a big thief. That me I tell you. So right now, better you link up ISIS card. Me I tell you, say you have the money upstairs time. It's a funny place. Down so where you come check me.
So make you never tell me say you have money
no,
upstairs.
No, but me never no okay to do certain things. But right
so
now.
You tell me now.
Yeah, because
it's like you're informer, you know.
Informer, I tell you, so do you have
you tell me now when you're late.
Late. There's never a time when it's late. It's at the right time. When the right time come, you have to know what to run, know what to do. Link the man and thing. Right now, people don't come at my style with the truth. So I'm going to touch the road. So, you know somebody there, sir? That's first thing.
News travel fast, you know.
Eh?
News travel fast, remember that? News travel not here.
Alright, so you know, sir. I come to the road now. Link up for your boy. Make things work out.
I'm going to link up my boy.
Eh?
My boy on my pants, so I chat to link up my boy.
I got the boss.
Yeah, man.
Anyway,
you have to do, man.
Eh?
You have to do, man. I'm going to
better left people in place now. Come see them again.
So you have to be a thief?
I say, yeah, I say left people in place. I don't want them to come see them and piece of rope drops. What am I going to explain to them? I say. Right now, I'm supposed to come see you at 9. He's a qualified. So just chill.
Push me?
Jesus Christ.
Oh. You want to beat me up?
Why am I want to
You
beat
ready to
you?
beat me up
Stop
now?
the foolishness.
Me
Marka,
not
stop the
Come
foolishness.
here, Limp, and just say you push me and fight like
Me
you want
ease
to
your
fight.
off for the like one fighter. Stop it, no man. You really go along with the foolishness too long. Eh? Why you make a brother call me and a threaten and all them something? How you feel, say boy, you know, my thing was just an honest mistake. I don't know why you feel like me have girl on me yard.
And you tell me,
Yeah,
you tell me say you have 2 girls now.
Yeah, but me say it.
So I'm supposed to believe it. You say it and I believe it.
You believe that?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. You believe, say I eat that? Yeah, I believe that. You believe that? Answer my question.
Me is your name okay, yeah.
You see, that I think with you. You're too aggressive and you're too, you know, everything about you is just about war and anger. And you feel like I'm the same thing. I'm not like you. I'm not grow up like you. You understand what I say? Me grew up in a 2-bedroom house and think very humble. You understand? That's all I can remember. But you know, I don't know one thing like you born out a door and raised out a door. Eh? And you used to have fur and you shave regular. Eh? Tell your brother said do not feel like you need to step to me a certain way and stop the foolishness. You get to me I say? This was
But alright, go.
me alive.
Nobody not come here yard.
Huh?
Nobody not come here yard.
What you know what me don't know?
I'm just asking a question.
Yeah, but the question you're asking
Don't
is
sleep
some
in your yard tonight, alright?
Huh?
Don't sleep in your yard tonight. When your sister yard or something.
I can ask that question.
Wow.
Why you go to my sister talk about free relationship? Every time I tell you, say, do not bring our personal life within,
See,
you know, and mix up with the family. Me not talk to Bobby about no.
Yeah.
Me not talk to Bobby about that. Bobby want to talk to you about certain things. Me not understand what and how that come in, but I don't mean that. You understand me I say? And you're too close to me because really and truly, me
Well,
think,
me not too close
me
to
think,
you, there.
me think it's best for us to end the relationship.
Oh, okay, you are trying not to next dirty girl.
No, I am not.
Can continue the threesome because me not going to threesome.
Me not feel safe and me feel like my life is at threat.
When you left me at the time, their life is a threat.
What do you mean when I left
Me
you?
I tell her that. So decide your mind, you break up. Well, so you break up.
Oh yeah, the bad man for there with you? A bad man for there with
Me
you?
say,
This a boy you not gonna rise, you know. If we uncomfortable, him not gonna rise, you know. You better know that.
me know if you make you rise, now for about the part.
You know if you make it rise.
Me know if right now you tell
Yeah,
me that's
Jesus.
why you rise.
This a boy,
Me.
understand how me I said to you, and you know. Alright, let's take a break then. Because I need to second my break.
Let's take a
A BREAK.
6'6".
6'6" what?
6'6".
I'll say it high.
And most of them just say you're going to take a break.
Which break?
But you say you want a break? Yes, sir.
Why you doing this? Yeah, but why you doing this?
Say,
No, but why you do
no,
this?
we're going to take a break.
But why? Why?
We're going to take a break.
Eh?
We're going to take a break.
Take a which break? What kind of break you talk about? Eh?
Just say if you don't wake up tomorrow.
I check me.
No, I'm not check bro.
You
But
see,
I just say something.
that's why I walk with a tablet. Because I want to tape you to make sure so them hear say and them the things you do. So when we carry this now over police station, them are going to say to me, say, okay sir, who is the person? And when they match your dirty stinking vice, you can understand say if you leave me alone.
If
No, you don't
you
know.
reach our station.
If you reach the station,
If you reach our station.
it's still a record. Sweet, don't show me. Step out of me.
Watch your
Step
back.
out of me, sir. Step out of me, sir.
Watch your back.
No, say this thing
Watch
done.
yourself.
All because of an honest mistake,
No,
you're making this
yourself.
thing extreme.
You're going to
Step
go full black here.
full black.
Full black now. I want to make up everything.
If you buy one black suit for your mother,
I tell you just stand by mother boy.
I didn't tell
I tell you
him.
just stand by mother. Eh? Remember who you are. Yeah.
Something wrong with that, true? You start smoke up.
You start smoke?
Yeah, start. Today, this morning.
You start smoke?
What the fuck is that? See?
Not talk clear, y'all. Bad man. Let me try to say, are you trust?
Yeah, man, very true.
Sweet there, I drop me here. But I see a flag up on the road. Stay by yourself. You say nobody.
What you do? You sound like some crackhead. Go for out of my side, man. Come on, I'm 6 feet.
No, are you 6 feet? 6'6". No, 6 feet. 6'6". Yeah. Dr. Rasta.
Alright, the rest of dirty. What's next? Tell me something else.
Oh, like a
You hold
dog.
like a dog. Next,
I'm not sure that's
go and go watch me like you watch last year. You know, watch them. Go, take it.
Remember me tell you, sir. See the watch your back. Watch it properly. Yeah. Try higher body here.
How your body girl?
Yeah. Make sure you reach out this is here.
I don't know one Muslim I person. Totally like soon, cause be things and what they realize, say, you know, I be a styling me, I get a road to, you know, I'm right now, me don't take styling from anybody, you know, my friend, believe me, you know.
We have fix things, man. You
Yeah,
kill
man.
yourself, man. Come and sit there on the ground already, you know, man. I just you pick it up, you know. Remember that thing.
And you, that just show me can't manage to walk around this stuff for no reason, you know. You know, like me, I want reason to run this right now,
You
you.
know, man. Do you mean? Then a good reason.
Yeah, a good reason, yeah, but
Yeah, not fire.
no, not at the moment. But listen up,
man.
remember say police boy they hot in a minute. No boy
No, I
violate,
say
so-
power is hotter than that, you
Look,
know.
you know, look, you know.
You cannot believe in my president.
You see the same Rasta there, after them I go get you know. Believe when they tell you.
Me tell us say dog them don't let man because the dog them be nearby. So anytime you want them make play. Ball game pick anytime. But we as metros we active and stay so I must say boy brother say boy don't let him go. You know
No,
say
yeah,
boy
but
go
man.
do something but you can't take check you know my friend.
No they want them
So
man.
me there so right now me some of the little could go step and reason why me can't stay must have to watch your road just in case the next like a piece of food come in. Me can't move from my post that. You know what I mean?
So what's the chat about that? Ranking from the health. I hide me in a ranking.
Eye view.
Yes.
Look at me eye.
You don't know where they pan ranking.
You're brave do it.
I mean, my brave.
Bad man, let's make sure.
So
away pray.
so you see me as I would say you would come find them pan ranking. I
Don't
would.
worry about my soldier.
Hmm? So you might look for a man, so like, you know, it's what
Time man say
tell about me.
step on the and move some
know
type
me.
of way.
You know me. You know me.
This is me as I know you become.
You say you know
I know
me.
you become, boy.
You know
A
me.
ranking me attack. So ranking. What going from the cheese ranking? What the boy a
Which
great
cheese?
thing.
Which cheese?
Same cheese, man.
You can't go see big people are reason.
Not just about page again.
Yeah, I must see right here.
Ranking.
Cheese.
One a friend in ranking. I mean, cut your friend and job
Cut
on
which
ranking.
friend?
Ranking. One a friend in
Where you
ranking.
come from? A most bum beat. You used to do stand-up
Ranking.
comedy.
Yo.
Ranking.
Just do that thing for me.
Alright,
Kill that for them, man. But me tell you, brave.
boy, I want to man. I say, look, pick up and catch. Boy, make sure, boy, make drop your body in a boy.
You don't
Ranking,
know them man,
this
them
one
man.
me
Here
as-
come boy.
this one as a
Go on,
ranking.
Yeah, me a hear.
This is money we have from ranking. When I get it?
Bad
But a
man,
different
me
thing
say.
me have pre right now, you know.
Yeah,
An
me
eye
say.
for an eye.
Eye for your eye, say your choice. Say. Yeah, money for money. Wait, say, remember say, right for shot your promise.
Listen to me, I say no
Remember say, a
ranking.
broad man bad, me say, put
Listen to me, I
things
say no ranking. Remember, say, you know,
Mhm.
you take my money, you know, I buy a bike in a ranking. All you know, give me peace of mind for my money in a ranking.
in.
You understand?
Yeah,
Me
run
no-
down
you
the
know
wrong
that
thing. Yeah, run down the wrong thing right now.
Wrong thing, what you mean
Yeah.
wrong thing?
Correct that thing which I want different part however
So,
you even
so
know
I
about.
say, I say, me have it to you, man.
So we are going to do with it.
Eh?
We are going to do with it. I know if you have it. If you use
Eh?
it.
Me don't want to use it for you. Me don't want to be you
make me use him. Why use for somebody else like all the board where I point up here and my face. You know what I mean?
You don't know them man, don't worry about them.
So me I say, when I get my thing?
Which thing?
Hmm?
Which thing? Me not have
No my thing me I talk about, brother. Like when I get
Come
violent.
like me and speak. That a Spanish me that talk.
Say you hear me I say?
Espanol,
You don't hear me?
Hola mi amigo.
You don't hear me I say? Eh?
What your beer?
Eh? Listen me I say.
What
Boy.
your beer?
What's up? Listen me I say.
Yeah.
I don't want to see again on my eye. When I see again on my eye, I share my money.
Yeah.
You hear me tell a ranking?
Yeah.
I laugh. I'm ranking.
Alright, Mr. Badman. Alright, Mr. Badman.
I want a friend next time so when you see me, you're not talking with me. You hear ranking?
Just pray you not see me do. You hear? Remember what you did, you know? You hear? Tell the boys to go.
All you go on, you know who tell me, you know? You know, so a public tell me, you know? A public tell me, same Rasta boy tell me. You don't know that? It's alright, man. I hear everything.
So, you want to link up. You say a word, man. Or fix things, man. You hear?
What boy, man?
Long I tell you to go fix things, bad man. Like, you know, boy come violent, man. Like, I go and public thing first. You see a Rasta boy, them been a tell about, you know. So, yeah, oh God, it's like an escaped page Rasta boy. You see, so?
You know, ain't it?
Know yourself, man. It's hard to find, man. I love Remy, man. You don't know?
Come on.
Pinky,
Hi.
can you come? All gone.
There, we're going.
Somebody there?
Okay.
Let me come to talk. You guys have any way? Want to talk to you.
What going on now?
Me want back your brother, but me don't want to forget him back. I look so far. Me dey upset with it. Me dey upset with him other day. But me never mean fi lash out upon him, so you know. It's because when me go down in yard, when me call him 100 times, then me go down in yard. The man go look for me and tell me say he did have 2 women in the house. I do 3 some. So me feel that way. Me get jealous and then look sitting there. How you feel know some me vex and then you go tell me say you do that there sitting there. How you think me go feel?
Alright, listen. It's not like say, me not listen to what you're saying, no. But me just not care. You understand? I'm going to tell you the reason why me not care. Today your man left. Tomorrow your man dey back. You understand? And me no want when me go say nothing. You two are not going long for the same pillar and get up and chat me again over and over and over and over. So me not care. Me not listen to you talking, you can talk, but me no business with you no. I don't business with you in this situation. Me no business with you, me no want to stress me out. You understand? But me I go and listen. Continue.
Let me see, but me don't know why I work today. I go look for him and talk to him. You see him?
Yeah, me see him in the coming one night time and me I'll take my key from him.
Why did I have a key for you?
Da, we brother and sister. Me give him one key so he can come in, but realize I'm taking it as a habit now. And come in and check out and I sleep in my bed and he have in bed. You understand? Yeah. I mean, when suppose me have a man in there. Eh?
Then you're not supposed to knock before I enter.
But me have a man sleeping now. And he just barge in like he own a place there. Well, I don't know what to say, you know. I don't tell you already, so I'm in a business, you don't know. Cockroach a business in a fall fight. You understand? So you want your man go work out that? Eh?
Alright, I'm gonna look for him somewhere. I'll be a dancer.
You want your man have to work out that? I can't work out this for you. You understand? You must know what you want. Yeah. Right now, I have a big stress for my brain, you know.
Can I say something?
I have a big money if you call me and it turn back. So right now, I can't manage people
Then call
business
it back.
for my head. Or me call it back. I can't manage nobody business right now. Money, I couldn't know say money me love. Money me love. And I start collect money too. So when you come with no business, you can pay me and me listen. If I half an hour, 2,000.
Me not lend the money, then
If
you're
I
alright.
if I want hour, 4,000.
So me
You
want
understand?
it, so, alright then, thank you, later, yeah?
Yeah man, later.
Alright.
Your brother come like one big old stumbling block and one run down in one barrel.
Give me that number.
So me get up on the wrong side and sleep.
What you mean you say sleep? Me sorry say me make you know all of my work site them. Come in know oh yeah, I walk around there, not true?
No, me know,
Give me
me
that,
know,
please.
say you say about it today. Me know what days them in the work.
So what you want? What you want?
Me come to tell you something sorry. Cause me get one dream last night. My dream never nice. I'm really sorry about that. I'm talk to my brother. And my brother realized what me say, my brother realized say you never serious. Cause you never let me before.
So make you make everything gone to the place, eh? Make me look like say me a bad smarty.
Because it did, you know say me have to go somewhere. And me call your phone 100 times, public 100 times me call your phone and me can't get up. What you expect me to think in my brain? How you expect me to feel? And then when me come here, they will tell me say you and 2 girls in the house and the 3.
Yeah, because a joke,
No,
you have to know what's a
cannot
joke.
run them the joke that when you know say me angry. When you know say you never did answer me call. A foolishness that they gonna make me feel. You're gonna make me feel like we are jealous. That's all. You have to know when to run joke.
Yeah, but you have to know,
they
so you have to-
they're too honest.
But you have to control your jealousy, you know, and you look at vibes we have bring cross. Cause me don't touch you because my phone in your waist. And then you are gonna tell me say me a thump you in your belly. Eh? 2 wrongs can make a right, you know. Give me wrong for fall asleep, but who can wrong for fall asleep if
But
they're
you're wrong
tired?
if you tell me say you have 2 girls in the house.
Yeah, that is all me wrong about. Me don't understand how everything just get out of place. Only because of a mistake, honest mistake. I'm sorry if I never call it right as me wake up certain way. But me get up and me frightened too. Me go in a bed in a daylight, sunlight, and me look up and darkness around me.
But you don't agree say we are going
Yeah,
yeah, idea. Because me tell us we want going in and they say no, you're right, going idea. And then we'll have the agreement, everything. Me a call her 100 times, probably 100 times. You tell me say no your phone not 1 time.
No, because phone upon vibe. Me don't know how the phone put on silent. Only thing the funny is just cause me set the alarm, you know, and the alarm go off and I go round and round and round. But me don't know still because I don't trust you right now, me I tell you. I don't trust you because if you do that and you go tell your brother and your brother call me, what else out in the hat, what under your belt what you can do? No, what could create something what even more extreme. I couldn't lose my life, you know. I couldn't lose my life for that me I talk about.
But you don't lose your life, you're still there, so don't you?
Yeah, me there so now, but me don't know. I suppose your brother now, once as you say, him take it. Suppose him still depend on a vibe.
Well, I know vibes with my situation, I must vibes with some other situation then. You do something else.
Me, this a boy, me don't do them things, I don't do nothing. All me do is just try to just live. Because I realize in life, you only have to just live. But sometimes even when you live, it comes like a problem to people. You understand me? I say, because people will see this and feel it. Because today, one little youth, they link me now and tell me, say, boy, you want to borrow money from me. And the way I'm asking for money is like a body for my money.
What?
Yeah, hard working money, what me I try putting on certain things. Because people will see you, I do things and feel say I have money for waste. You know? I can't even buy one slippers. Look how my slippers dirty. Eh? Me can't buy nothing right now because me have to deal with certain things. A good thing say me not pick me. If me a pick me, when I stress right out, my brain will turn right round. And then you go put added stress for me now when I make no sense in the relevant. For what?
Me didn't feel offended and me didn't jealous.
Yeah, but if you
I'm
feel
sorry about that.
if you feel offended and jealous, just keep it to yourself.
Yeah,
What do you mean? Because alright, if you forward now and start asking certain things for that level, you know, make it different. You know, supposed to be like war. And war you bringing your start war, you know? I'm go to my sister, I talk to my sister tell me say boy, she can't believe certain things just the same way. Even though she kind of, I don't know, she don't like talk certain things. Because me go to her yard and see it now you bring me now in one situation. I never know say you're faulty when you go to school.
What?
How that go? Tell me how that go. What you mean say who tell me that? Oh, your friend me
Before
know?
running on my bag and me lock up my bag with the phone in there, that happened. I didn't thief any phone.
So you fall, so we have in bag. Fall feet, so you walk with fall feet if you thief fall.
No, my chips dash in the bag and the fold out the door and I must have seen my bag open pan it down.
And lock up
And
it.
run in there. I'm a lucky bag when me a people and then when time my principal come, the principal say he fall missing. So me I say, oh you fall for missing. Then if I go make nice in my bag, and I say, how could I cast this? And then go in my bag, they all expel me.
Yeah, but
For one fall.
because you lucky bag. And then you lucky bag.
I mean, like the bag,
And you
but
walk
me
with the
never
bag for your
realize the bag never the pan back. Me hang up it on the chair back.
I'm gonna say right now, I never know them sitting there. Them have different stories. Say egg you want to sell. Say you feel say full
So
of
one,
egg.
I never want to.
You ain't hungry?
I
Eh?
never really hungry.
Me ask you a question. You ain't hungry that day there?
I never want to lay in phone.
So who make your teeth fall then?
I did not thief the phone.
So me-
If I go in my bag, I'm a
Me hear that. Why you put the phone in your bag? That me ask you. Why you lock the bag then make your phone lock up
I
in your
never
bag?
realized I fall in my bag.
You see? Dog a search for him tail and can't find it. At that you do right now. That's the kind of conversation. So what you want from me?
What about my relationship?
This a relationship and this a boy? Me stressed right now. You have to give me some time. Give me a
What
little.
kind of time I want?
Give me time. T-I-M-E. When I start T-H-Y-M-E. Give me a little T-I-M-E. You can relax my
I
brain.
look fairly.
Look me away.
Yeah.
No, not tonight. Maybe tomorrow.
Oh, not tonight.
Not tonight.
Oh, yeah, come on, let's go.
Alright, forward to me. No, I sleep. You see me there, so I sleep. No sleep because me I sleep. Come and wait for the little work, dirty work man them.
Yeah, then cook for you and then you can eat and go sleep.
No really think me I'm full now. Alright, you ready? We have rice down there already. See? So buy 1 pound of chicken. I did buy
One pound of
chicken. So me here alone or what? You want them for old blood pepper chicken? Or you want to go to tea for and catch you again? Eh?
Don't bother with that. I did not
I
take
never
any
see a
phone.
foul thief. I'm in love with a foul thief.
Anyway,
I'm in love with a foul thief. What can go so?
anyway, later, I go shop and then I go down there.
But don't forward until night time come.
Alright.
You understand? Because I go down so. I'm going to go down and I go create havoc and problem. You understand? Me mean nice. You love me nice down there.
Alright then, later.
I tell you, boy. How about now?
Where you going with?
You have any fun start?
Yeah.
What is that boy? What do you mean hold me for?
What a team.
What do you mean some style?
Yeah, man.
Where you going now?
Ask him.
You think you're going to have him already?
Take one for you. I want to pay you. Take one for
You
you.
can't see me, I miss a talkie name now.
So what is about now?
See your boy tell you everything what go on.
Like what say what?
Know yourself.
What go on?
You know yourself. Are you the grown with thing? This my sister. I am man plan to contact my bike. I trust and believe in her, you know.
What mean take your bike? Come on your bike for brother, we can't take your bike.
Motivate, but you see right now, a different type of time in Japan right now, you know.
What can't take? Yo,
man, I say,
you're
not chatting with man.
You come to check you then I run you go friends. So no fool take my far.
no, me I say me want the embarrassment and thing. Brother, I mean, easy man, easy my brother.
I don't have time for that, but you mess up, man.
Oh,
You see a prayer, man.
How your friend is?
Which friend? Which friend? Father God.
Yeah, man, see your favorite Psalms, man. Yeah.
How your friend is?
Should I never put your hand on my sister, you.
Brother, I'm gonna put on church so she talk to you.
What bro, ask him how much party in friend they will violate you and tell the boy man cut in a face.
Brad,
This a boy?
No, you, your friend are Wendy.
Only thing can save her right now. Just tell me Brad, we go find Brad and we'll left you alone.
If you have phone, call him.
Call him and tell him to meet you outside bar.
Call him.
No, let me
I want to call
Yeah,
him.
phone.
Private number.
Yeah, man.
Yeah, give him a call, bro.
See, sir. Me call him.
Call him.
Yeah, man. Only thing can save her right now, Brad. See him?
Private number.
I feel like I'm swift, I feel like I'm quick. Right. And my sister make gonna live so long. I feel like I show me eye big, they call it ISIS.
Yo,
come on, man.
Ring!
He's not a ring.
Yeah, man, call him again.
You are going. Give it team ball. Yeah. That's it. Roseman's my dad.
Subscribe, yes.
Oh, let me take you there. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track. When it seems like something is missing, and for all the good things that you wishing, there's a place that the vibes is right, just like paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, Public Jack say he ain't going back, no, to that struggling place, Lord. Mark my words, I ain't falling back. Yes, I'm here to stay. I found in my life what's been missing, and all the good things I've been wishing. You'll find me where the vibes is right, and the price is right. My paradise, my paradise, my paradise. Hey, me say you now find public, I live above your knees. Spliffing out the left and on the beer in at the right. Shana just a wine and she a bubble upon me right. Cause she know the kids them alright. Yeah, my paradise. Oh, my paradise. My paradise. Ooh. No man is an island jack. You could be tougher than a rock. Hey, one by one we gotta make contact just to get on the right track.